water supply at Dillon's with Pepper helping out. This is the new supply. We have a ramp onto our race, and then we have a grill over a plastic tank which is fixed into the bed there, and then out on the blue Alcathin into the previous supply. Yes, good girl, Pepper. Hopefully that'll stay there even with heavy rainfall. I reckon it will. And if not, it's actually quite easy to assemble now. Certainly an improvement over the old header tank, which was really gubbed. That's a whole day's worth of work up here in the hill above the castle down there.